So welcome back to Driver's Therapy. Now, before you think this is a product testing channel, it's not. What this is that you're gonna come with me in my journey of the things that I do, the failures, the mistakes, the accomplishments, the ups and the downs. And with this one, so if you look back with the Volk GT-C wheels and all of that drama, one thing that the bad seller, yes, he was bad scammer. One thing he told me was that the wheels sat in his attic for like 4 or 5 years or some crazy number like that. So the cool thing is that they weren't like dirty, like they were just dull. So what I did is I contacted my favorite YouTuber. Yes, YouTubers have favorite YouTubers. And you know what? The best thing about life is showing love, right? You know, if you admire someone, if you like someone, like there's always that little instinct of you of jealousy, but at the same time, you have this love for them. So my plugin, and just because I care, I love their channel, is Matt Mormon with Obsessed Garage. They're literally the best detailing YouTube channel. And I sent him an email and I was like, hey, you know, do you guys sell something to polish Volk wheels? I don't know a lot about, you know, like, because sometimes these wheels have a clear coat, sometimes they, you know, they have some type of special coating or something like that. So I don't want to put something under and damage it. Well, they emailed me back and they said, we don't sell anything, but we recommend Optimum Metal Polish. This is what they recommend. Now, I went on the website and it was pretty, you know, I was like, okay, I could buy from there. I went on Amazon, but it was a little more expensive than that. And sometimes I don't trust Amazon. And so I decided to order it on the website. Actually, no, I think I did order it on Amazon. I don't know. Well, anyways, I ordered it from somewhere, but there was an issue. Right now, we're in the deep summer. It's 102 here in Colorado, Western Colorado. But when we got this was like water. It's still kind of like water. So I was just like, oh, great. Here we go again. We're going to Kohl's. That's where you return everything to Amazon here. And we're going to return this thing again, you know, because we return some stuff sometimes. But I said, you know what? Let me give it a shot. So I put some on a little rag and I started to go at it. And mother of Justin Bieber, like I was like hot dog, like for real. It looked so good. So I was like, you know what? I have to make a video about this because this stuff really worked really well. Now I did email them and tell them like, why is your stuff like water? You know, like, is it supposed to be like that? My assumption, I'm not a chemist, but my assumption is that it overheated and something happened with it because there is like an inconsistency here. There's like some type of stuff in the bottom and then it's liquid in the top. And even though you do shake it, it doesn't mix well. So I think once it heated up, something happened to it. You know, maybe some good feedback for Optimum Metal Polish people. You know, hopefully they're not having China make this. Let's see. No, it says Memphis, Tennessee. It's a cool place. I've been there. All right. So we're going to show you what I did is that I decided to roll 50-50. And what I did is I did half my car already. It's looking good, bling style. And then the other half I didn't do. So we're not gonna torture you and show you the both wheels. We're going to do one wheel. You're going to see the before and after. You're going to get that satisfaction. If you're like me, one of those Mexicans who love to clean, then you're going to get a huge satisfaction out of it. So anyways, let's go ahead and show you this and see if you like this stuff and go from there. All right, let's go ahead and kick it off. All right, so the first thing it says to do, and I think it's pretty self-explanatory, is to clean off the surface from any dirt or debris. So I'm using my handy paper towel. It's a little bit damp. And I know paper towels are abrasive, but what we're going to do is we're just lightly going to remove any dust. So these wheels have not been polished and they don't have any product on there. They've been sitting for a long time. So we're going to see how it works out. All right. That looks good to me. Now the next thing is we're going to shake this. All right, it's shooken. All right, as you can tell, I've already used this one, but we're going to put some in there. Now, I want you guys to really look at this. See that? You know, let me see if we're going to do a cool still later on. So, all right, here we go.
So I am kind of doing circular motions up and down. I mean, but what's pretty crazy is that like stuff is already turning black. And I'm sure you hardcore details out there know what's happening, but I don't. I'm just like, what is this? Look at that. I don't know, something's happening. All right. I'm going to put a little bit of muscle into this. So enough that I would say about 60% of my full strength, if that makes sense. All right. Now I'm going to use a different one. Now these are cool because I picked these up polishing towels at the local hardware store. It's already looking better. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the, we're going to set the camera on a tripod. I'm going to clean it, but we're going to fast forward the video so you can see it, and then you can watch me do it pretty quickly. All right. All right, we're finished up. A little bit of elbow grease and the wheel is looking good. Look at that bling bling. Oh man. Well, I think the product works pretty well, and I think that Obsessed Garage recommended a good product, so I'm happy that they did. And they look good. On top of that, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I even put a little bit of tire shine on there, a little bit of tire bling bling as well. So if you guys are in the market for something to polish your wheels up, it's a pretty good product. I know that there's other companies like Mothers and such like that that make good products as well, but I just want to share with you my journey of getting these wheels looking up to par. So, all right, well, that's about it. Hope you guys having a good day, and we'll see you soon.